Just bought a mail order tree from fastgrowingtrees.com. We're gonna open up the box, dig ourselves a hole, and see what it's all about. Cool, this is how they packaged it up. So this is the 6 to 7 foot Cleveland flowering pear tree. They also give you some instructions so you're not totally in the dark if you've never planted a tree before. So it's pretty simple 6-step process here, and tells you what to do. Okay, so I have my tree planted, and I'm gonna throw some water on it, and we'll see how this thing does. I'm gonna tie it up a little bit too, put some strings around it so it stays kind of strong. And if you have any questions about the tree, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you. I'm kind of curious to see how this thing does.